Welcome to Sunschool.
Okay, so this is another part of homeschooling. What I'm going to get ready to do is I'm going to break open a Geode that I bought for my daughter, and we're going to break it open together. Okay, here's the instructions that came with the Geode. And then here's the Geode right here. Pretty cool, right? According to the instructions, we're going to need an old sock and a hammer to break this thing open safely. Okay, honey, let's put the Geode in the sock. Okay, go ahead, put it in there. Up. There you go. Right in there. Good job. Okay, now with Big Brother's help, we're just going to break into this Geode and see what's inside. Okay, ready? Go. Did it go? Is that in half? Try again. No, I think you're really going to have to strike it. That went? Okay, open it. Open up the sock. Let's see what we have.